Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you are keeping well. My name is Dr. Mercy Igoki, and today we continue with our conversations on optimal living. Now, we've been saying that optimal living is becoming the best version of myself. And I want you to note, we're talking about myself, becoming the best version of myself, not like anybody else. We have the cut and paste, we have the copy and paste. You are not copying anyone and becoming their duplicate. Neither are you cutting anyone and becoming their piece, such that we want to reduce other people to zero as we become themselves. We want to become the best version of ourselves. That is optimal living. So today we talk about self-awareness. As we get to live our lives to the best, we are asking, who am I? Exactly who am I? In fact, you note that my name is different from your name. So, how am I going to become you? Allow me to be me, and I will let you be you. So, who am I? What are my strengths? What is this one thing or this, two, three, four, five things that I can do very well as Mercy? I want to identify them and do them so that I live at my best. What are my weaknesses? What is this area where there is always a ouch? Nimekanyanga mtu ama mtu amenikanyanga. The way we normally say it. So what are my weaknesses and what do I need to do about my weaknesses so that I become the best version of myself? And we are asking again, what are my interests? What's my passion? What is this thing that just drives me crazy? What is this one thing that makes my hair stand? When you mention children, when you mention people who are single again, they separated, divorced, and they widowed, my hair stands. So what do I want to do with my passion? I will do the best with that which makes me happy. That's my interest. That is my passion. As we again talk about the self-awareness, we are asking, what are my values? What is this that I really consider very, very important for me? They are non-negotiable for me. They may be negotiable for you because you are different from me, but they are non-negotiable for me as I become the best version of myself. And therefore, what's my encouragement for us today? Let's be at our best and let's allow other people to be at their best. There is no competition about self. I will be the best version of myself as you become the best version of yourself. And together we serve the Lord. Together we are happy, living optimally. What are we saying? Optimal living, becoming the best version of myself. As I let you be and you let me be. Toulouse, God bless you. Bye bye.